Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Roblox website and sign into your account on desktop or mobile. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon and then choose Settings to access your account controls. Scroll to the Privacy tab to find Private Server and Friend Permissions. Verify your age and account type if prompts request additional verification. Stay logged in while you complete changes so your preferences save correctly and immediately take effect. In Settings, open the Privacy tab and locate the Who Can Join Me option. Set Who Can Join Me to Friends or Everyone depending on your preference. Find Allow Private Servers and toggle it on so invites and links work correctly. For stricter control, set access to specific groups or friends only. Save changes at the bottom of the page to commit the new permissions. Finally, test by opening a private server link to confirm you can join successfully. If changes do not apply instantly, clear your browser cache or restart the app. Update the Roblox app or your browser to the newest version for compatibility. Confirm the private server owner added you or shared the correct invite link or server code. Disable third-party filters, VPN, or strict parental controls that might block connections to private servers. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to force a permissions refresh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.